Bom, joven arubiano Sander Bogaerts está que da score. Sander Bogaerts assina young pero está de uma maneira veterano. Assina presidente de Boston, Larry Lucchini, avisa, ribe talento arubano. E jovem não tem nenhum tique nervio. Também escuta água com esta corre em sua vena. Desde que o Sander chega a Boston, nós temos hope e confiança dentro, pero nós ninguém pensa que ele por chega a se eleger de que é por uma série mundial. Já sabe, o último Sander ajuda a Boston Red Sox para World Series e virar campeão de Liga Americana. O ex-pelotero de grandes ligas, que está de visita na Aruba, também manda Sander seu bom desejo.
Nós temos Sander Bogaerts de Série Mundial. ¿Vos tienes una palabra para él?
Hey, ¿qué es lo que está haciendo? Está haciendo buen papel. Mawaco de gaquito chiquito. Siempre me dice gaquito de bon. Mané que está haciendo, la que queda así. La que queda para este next guy que va a rubos no tirando hoy.
Também não se logra acabar uma entrevista realizada na América com o Sander, né, depois de jogar contra Detroit.
You have 3 at-bats, 3 and 2 counts. When you get into a game like this, are you still able to remain as calm as it seems?
Man, I told all the other reporters, there was something about the 2-2 pitch Scherzer threw me my first at-bat. I took it in a weird way, man. I don't know what happened, but I think there was like a heads up that today was going to be a good day. I took it so weird, it was a weird feeling. I even started laughing afterwards. It was, I don't know, it was weird.
And then what about you get the 3 and 2 and then hit the double? When you first heard it, did you think that maybe it was out?
Yeah, man, I wish it was out, you know, I wish. But I mean, it's unbelievable, man. He threw me a good pitch, I batted my whole way, you know. I can't guarantee that I'll get a hit or a walk every time, but I can guarantee you most of the time I'll put up a good at-bat, you know. I'll work my best.
How exciting is this, a month in the big leagues, to be playing in the World Series?
And I mean, we're a few days away from the World Series, man. I mean, I started in the minors to be here. It's unbelievable, man. Sometimes I can't imagine.
Is half of Aruba going to come here for the World Series?
You know, I don't know, man. Probably a lot of people will come. A lot of Red Sox fans down there, you know. I'll probably have some of my family members there, though.
That's great. Thanks a lot. Congratulations.
Bom, é primeiro rubiano que também tem uma série mundial. Eu acaba êxito na Boston e na Sander, que vai uma boa prestação, maneira que está dando até agora que ela tem Major League.